Home Remedies presents
Supercharge your health with ginger garlic tea. Our pantry is stocked up with healing herbs and spices that could do wonders for our immunity. Herbal teas are soothing and often very effective in alleviating discomfort caused by cold, congested nose, and sore throat. You can drink herbal tea daily. Ginger is very effective in keeping your digestive system in good shape. Ginger helps heal the gut, fastens movement of food through the gastrointestinal tract, reduces bloating and cramps, and is also very useful in getting the digestive juices flowing. A good digestion is key for weight loss. Ginger may combat inflammation and keep your immune system healthy. Garlic can also do wonders for your digestion, and it is also useful in flushing out toxins. Garlic could help your metabolism naturally. It is also known to be an appetite suppressant. Studies have shown associated link between garlic and fat burning. How to make ginger garlic tea? Take a cup of water and boil it. Once boiled, add a small chunk of ginger and then add 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic. Next, add half a teaspoon of black pepper and let it steep for 5 minutes. Remove from the heat, strain in cup, add half a teaspoon of honey for taste and enjoy.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.